Everyone. So I am currently viewing a Google form in preview mode, which by the way is exactly what anyone else will see when you share this form with them. Now I want to change the text right here where it says read this information. If you look at the bottom left corner of the screen, you will see the URL that the link will take them to when they click it. But I want to update both the text and the link. Once I do that, a small edit pencil icon appear. I will click on that. Now I can edit the text. For example, I will change it to read this information please. Below that, I can also update the URL. Let's say I want them to visit the home page, so I will enter the updated link. Once I have made those changes, I will click OK to save them. Now I will hit the preview button to see what it looks like from the user's perspective. As you can see, the text now say read this information please, and if I hover over it, the bottom left corner shows the updated URL. In this case, www.busconsulting.com. And that's it. Super quick and easy to update link text and URL in Google Form.